Oh, someone dropped this wallet. I should return it to the owner. Wow, there is so much money. Let's keep it.
No, Ahmed. It does not belong to us.
But no one will know. I will know. And being honest is more important than money. You're welcome, sir. It was the right thing to do.
Thank you, Ali. That was very honest of you.
Honesty is the best policy, and it always makes you feel proud inside.
Thank you, Ali. That was very honest of you.
If you want to learn more English conversations like this, please like, share, and subscribe.